Hemant, who lives in Patna, has been investing in the stock market for a long time now. But still, he is yet to figure out a way which could help him to predict the share price movements. Hemant wants to know if there is a way to predict whether the share price will rise or fall. But hey, there is a way. Shareholders like Hemant can take the help of data on bulk deal from the stock market. Many a times you must have heard instances of block and bulk deal of shares in the stock market. You can get this data from the exchanges.
A block deal happens one time in a very transparent manner. A block deal takes place in the first 35 minutes of a trading window. Therefore, its data is available on immediate basis. On the other hand, in case of bulk deal, trades are made in more than one transaction. Therefore, it is more important for the shareholders to know about the bulk deal.
Hemant must be wondering by now, how does a bulk deal affect a stock price and how can it be used to predict the movement of the stock? Well, bulk deal indicates rising investor interest towards a particular stock. If Hemant keeps an eye on such deals on the NSE and BSE, he will be able to guess which institutions are interested in which stocks. This also gives an idea whether the deal is having a positive or negative effect on any stock or not. It must be noted that you need to segregate the intraday trading data and the short-term trading data to understand the exact trend being set up by the bulk deals.
Short-term trade data does not give indication of anything. Other types of data give information on trades made by foreign institutional investors, that is FIIs, mutual funds, HNIs and the promoters. To comprehend the bulk deal data of mutual funds, you will have to find out whether the bulk deals have been made with the arbitrage funds or not. Basically, arbitrage funds are used in taking advantage of the gap between the cash and derivative segment. If this is so, then there are chances of heavy selling or buying of that particular stock in the futures market. This means you will not be able to guess the movement of the share prices just on the basis of deals which are being made. You will be able to guess the movement only after you have subtracted the data of the arbitrage fund deal from the entire bulk deal. Only after taking all these factors into consideration, the bulk deal data can prove to be handy for Hemant. And this will eventually help him in picking the right shares for trading.
Akhil Rathi, Vice President Advisory Marwari Shares and Finance says, bulk deal doesn't always indicate whether a stock price will rise or fall. But if bulk deals are regularly being made for a particular stock, then it will give you an indication whether there is a buying or selling trend in it. Money9 suggests, bulk deal gives an idea of the rising investor interest towards a particular stock. Looking at the data, we can get an idea whether a particular investor is interested in buying or selling that stock. But surely this data in itself is just not enough. You have to gauge the growth rate, profit-making capability, cash reserves and other metrics to get an idea of the performance of that company. Only after you have taken all these factors into consideration, you should take a decision on the purchase and sale of a particular stock. To understand the difference between a bulk deal and a block deal, watch Formula Guru.